Hello everyone, Terry here from the North Texas Garden. Beautiful little mums starting to bloom. And the hydrangea, need to start deadheading that. And then I wanted to come over here and show you the, oh my goodness, this one's falling over. These are the cardinal flowers. And look, it's got some little blooms starting to come out. And the pretty zinnias, look at the zinnias. This color is gorgeous, as well as that one, and the big bright orange. Isn't that pretty? And some beautiful salvia. And here is the pink skullcap. And the drumstick allium is starting to bloom. Got a new oxalis too. And it gets a pretty little, let's see if I can get the little blooms to come out a little bit. A little pretty kind of pink bloom that comes out on those. And my cascading begonia that's starting to bloom. Let's see if I can get you, look inside this thing. Isn't that pretty? Big, huge leaves on it. And I'm getting some tomatoes on my little bushes that I had from last year that just came up by themselves. The beautiful gomphrena. Oh, I love gomphrena. And here's some salvia along with the balloon flower. Look at that. So pretty. And some more hydrangea there. And I am about to get some daisies. Here's a pretty little bud. My mini rose that's so pretty. And then the impatient with some type of coffea there. My beautiful pot of petunias. And here's another gomphrena. This is the truffula pink gomphrena. And I kept this over winter in my garden, in my greenhouse, and it was a tiny little thing, and look, look how big it is. I love these things. And the beautiful heliotrope. Kind of pretty. These are just pieces that I took off of the big plant here. And then over here is the the purple skullcap. Tiny, tiny little pretty flowers. And then my Rosa Sharons are blooming, and a sunflower. And my little Mother's Day gift. And another Rosa Sharon just blooming its head off. Okay, everyone. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful, blessed day. Please subscribe, like, and share. And thank you very much. God bless.